advisory in effect from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. A wind advisory has also been issued. This wind advisory is in effect from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. this evening. Winds, southwest 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Timing, highest wind gusts expected during the afternoon and early evening. High winds will bring down trees and power lines. Lightweight objects such as trash cans and deck furniture should be secured. Use extreme caution while driving, especially when crossing bridges and overpasses.
And if you guys are also interested, want to see what channel this is on,
down power
channel
lines
7.
And damage some structures.
Can't really pick up the other channels.
Their travel until.
So guys, that's my Midland WR100 going off for the high wind warning and the wind advisory. And peace out.